Kaniki and hello world! Hi, ako nga pala si S.R. Kenz at dito sa pag-uusapan natin ay ang mga katanungan tungkol sa Niki Live streaming app. But before that, happy 2nd anniversary Niki Live app! Kung bago ka dito, like and subscribe ka for more Niki Live tutorials. Check links below as well para sa ibang video tutorials. Now, pag-usapan natin ang 6 ways on how to earn money sa Niki Live streaming app. First, paano kumita sa pagla-livestream? Sa Niki Live app, maraming iba't ibang events and tasks na pwede mong gawin para maka-earn, kahit wala kang nire-recharge. Check out our other video guys. Napakarami nating tutorials and tips sa videos natin related to Niki Live. Pero magbigay tayo ng isa sa maraming ways. So we have here events, at isa sa mga current events sa Niki app. Pumunta lamang tayo sa ating profile, i-check ang activities. Let's talk about 5 million wins free from Niki app. So, tap natin ito. Example, 5 events anniversary special. In here, all you have to do ay mag-create ng 30-second video with 4 different topics. Upload lamang ito sa moments using the right hashtag and posting it sa Facebook nyo at isa ka na sa makakasplit ng 5 million wins. Number 2, making money as an agent. Kung gusto mong maging agent, click lamang ang link sa baba para makapagsimula ng iyong sariling agency. To start, after nyo mag-create ng agency, mag-invite ng new host to your team. At kapag effective ang host mo, for sure ay may commission kang pwedeng ma-earn dito. So make sure to manage your host well. At bukod sa commission, meron ding agency growth rewards na additional income para sa'yo. Third, earning as BD or business developer. Ngayon, kung sa agent ang ini-invite nila ay host, as BD or business developer naman ang pag-invite naman ng new agency ang goal nila. And as long as effective ang agency na na-invite nyo, makakakuha ka rin ng commission from this. In short, laway lang ang puhunan. Fourth, inviting friends to earn rewards. Mag-earn ng up to $14 kada new host na iyong ini-invite. Pumunta sa iyong profile, tap and invite friends, piliin ang Go Invite, pumili ng banner, copy link at isend sa iyong invites or any social media platforms. Fifth, completing tasks to earn income. Sa Niki Live, meron ding mga tasks na kapag nagawa mo ay corresponding rewards kang makukuha. Mula sa free coins, beans, and marami pa. Meron tayong daily task, live task, at play task. At bago ka sa app, merong available additional task para sa'yo. Newcomer task. Upon downloading ng app, available to for the next 5 days. At kung one of the best live hosts ka, may additional income na up to $42 per week ang pwede mo ma-earn sa tasking lang na ito. 6. Other opportunities as a social media partner. Aside from live streaming, nagbibigay ng opportunities si Niki Live as social media partners with benefits. Pero not to brag, me and most of us ay na-feature na sa app. At dahil doon, we were rewarded with free wins na convertible to USD na withdrawable. Kaya kung gusto mo ring maka-earn tulad namin, mag-download ng Niki Live app. Follow, like, and subscribe. Share mo na din itong video and see you on our next tutorial video. Bye, mga kaniki!